In this video, I will show you how to invite a guest to a board in Miro. First, log into your Miro account. Once you're in your main dashboard, you will see your menu list on the left side of your screen where all your tools and features are located. Next, go to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you will find your profile icon. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear showing different options, including the one to invite people to your board. In this pop-up, you will see a search bar at the top. This is where you can type the email address of the person you want to invite. Take your time to double-check the email so you're sure it's correct before sending. This makes collaboration easier, especially if your team already uses one of these tools. You can also type a short message or note to go along with your invitation. Once you've filled everything in, simply click on the Send Invitations button. Your guest will then receive an email with a direct link to your Miro board. After they accept the invitation, they will be able to join and collaborate with you right away. And that's how to invite a guest to a Miro board in Miro.